Okay, Joe, what you're looking at is my gas main there. And what they had to do was put a gas line all the way around the side of my house here. And I did the ditching, and they got the materials, the plumber did, and put it all in. And that gas line comes around to here, and you can see the attachment on there that is for the gas line itself. And that's pretty standard what they do. It's about a 2-inch or 1.5-inch line, I guess. And because it sucks a lot of gas, so you have to have a good line. It just comes straight up out of the ground to a nipple there, and then that's where they hook into it in order to get gas into the unit. You can see it there. That's an outlet I put on the outside, 15 amp. It's hot all the time. I plug a cord into it and throw it over here to my neighbor's house next door so that they can keep a couple appliances running. Anyway, this is the unit here, and I'm going to back up a little bit. I'm going to open it, and basically this is a Honda engine. It's a Honda 1-liter engine, and let you hear what it's like. Well, it's got lights here that let you know that everything's okay. Right now it says system set, so I know I'm good to go. And these are warning lights, like I ran low on oil during the hurricane right towards the end. After about 60 hours, had to top off the oil. That way it won't burn itself up accidentally. So you got all these different things here that tell you if there's going to be a problem with the unit itself. It's really easy to run. There's your circuit breaker, and I've got a 65 amp circuit breaker on mine. I don't know if you can see it there, but that's been plenty to run my house. Right now it's set on auto, but I can set it on manual. Okay, now as you can see, it runs pretty loud, but if I take and after it starts up and I close this, it's not so bad. And as I move back from it, you can see it's not too terribly loud. Actually, it's runs fairly quiet. Anyway, I'll go ahead and turn it back off. Okay, and now put it back on auto. It's got a dipstick here. Check the oil just like you would any car. Alright, and then it's got a couple little locks on it here. Anyway, this will give you an idea of the space that I use for it. I've got about 3.5 feet in front of it, and then I've got the sides pretty clear, and it's not too far from the back. The air flows from the far side and blows out this side over here, where you see that little sticker reads hot. That's the exhaust. And then up here is the panel that they put in. It's called an automatic transfer switch. And anyway, let me remove the cover here. As you can see, it's just got some switches and stuff in there, and this here is your transfer switch. You got the let's see, we've got this, I think, comes in from the electric company, and then no, this yeah, and then this goes to the house, and this goes to the generator. So what happens is this switch here flips up and down. If it's up, we're getting AC from center point. If the switch drops, then we're getting power from the generator. And that's how that works. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and this box is designed for outdoors. And then this here's a whole house surge protector they put in. And then this is my outside panel, pretty simple and straightforward, 125 main and all those circuit breakers there, but all of that is running through this switch over here. So you know, I really didn't do anything with this part. I didn't have to mess with that at all. Of course, there's the meter right there. But anyway, that's pretty much it. It's also got a little stick here. If I want, I can sit here and manually, you know, start the generator and then I put that little stick, I think I put it in that yellow thing up there, and then I can force it down to where I'm running off the generator if I want. I don't know why I would, but if I wanted to. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward operation there, and let you just get a little better look at that. With this switch in place instead of the one they send you, I mean, it's all automatic, and you can either decide to do something with this or not. So there you go.